Hey, good morning. My name is Joe Jackson. I'm the owner of Metro Design, and today I'm going to show you 3 things you can do to boost your online presence, get you higher ranking on Google, and start bringing in those leads you're missing out on, right? So we can help build out this awesome business. Alright, so first things first, obviously you don't have a website. You told me somebody was helping you build it, so I'm just going to use this for now. It's definitely recommended to have a website, okay? Google is king, okay, because billions of people are searching for your service per day, okay? So if you're not getting noticed on Google, if you're not ranking your website on Google, then you're missing out on a lot of leads a day and per month and so on. All right, so definitely recommend building a website, okay? Since you do not have a website, we're going to use your competitor's website. All right, I'm going to show you what they're doing and how to outrank them and steal their leads. Okay. So Google loves content. All right, content is king when it comes to Google. They want to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your home page. All right. Now, obviously, a lot of people aren't going to read 2,000 words on your home page, right? But Google will, and they will know that you're the subject matter expert, so it's going to help them push you to the top. Alright, so if we scroll, you can see all of this is content, right? Once it loads, there we go. So all the words on here are content. Alright, this guy is sitting at 571 words on his home page, okay? So definitely not reaching that goal that Google likes to see. So if you put on, 1,500 words on your homepage, you could easily outrank this guy. Okay. Another thing I recommend doing is throwing in keywords. All right, keywords are what people are searching for in your area. So for example, a keyword would be home remodeling, Atlanta, GA. Okay, that would be a keyword somebody would search in Google, and if you're ranking for that keyword, you would pop up number 1. Okay, for that one keyword, search volume is 40 searches per month for that one keyword. Okay, so I recommend putting in one keyword for every 100 words. All right, so that'd be 15 keywords. Start ranking for those. You do the math, obviously, you're going to start bringing in a lot of leads. Okay, another thing Google loves to see on its websites are big built-out websites. Okay, so the more pages, the better. All right, so you can see each of these if it has pages. Okay, and then pages here. All right, so this guy has a lot of pages, so he's doing really good on the pages per se, right? So if you want to outrank this guy in this area, you're going to need at least the same amount of pages he has on his website. Okay. For the back pages though, Google wants to see between 500 and 700 words. All right. Lucky for you, he is only averaging about 300 to 400 words on his back pages. So to outrank him in this area, you're going to want to throw on 500 words on your back pages, right, on your service pages. Definitely add keywords for those as well. 1 for every 100 words. So that'd be 5 keywords on your back pages. That's it for the website though. Pretty straightforward and simple. Next is going to be citations, alright? Citations are going to help you rank in the map pack. Okay, the more you have, it's going to be a lot easier for Google to rank you there. Alright, once you start ranking in the map pack, you're going to start getting a lot of leads there as well. Okay, so as you can see, your competitor has 19 citations. Alright, citations are your business name, address, and phone number on different websites. Okay, so your competitor has 19. His list is right here. Alright, so you can come in here, click on this, and go get all of the ones you're missing. Alright, go get 19 citations. Okay, but we're not trying to be even with them, right? That's our competition. So we're trying to blow them out of the water. right? Outrank them in every area. So, with that being said, I recommend doing about 80 to 100 citations. Okay, there's hundreds of citations out there up for grabs, so go get them and blow this guy out of the water. Okay, once you take number one spot, he's gonna know, his leads aren't coming in the same as they were, and then he's gonna go out there and go get more citations. All right, so it's kind of like a race. You gotta stay on top. All right, a couple other things that'll help you rank in the Google Map Pack is going to be reviews. Okay, a lot of good reviews. All right, a business description, 500 words. You want keywords in there as well, and you're going to want to save your pictures. Get a lot of pictures. All right, and you're going to also want to save them as keywords as well. All right, so that's a few things that are going to help you rank in the Map Pack. Lastly, but super important, all right, is backlinks. Okay, backlinks are going to push power to your website. Okay, backlinks is what's going to help you rank to the top, and what's going to help you rank there super fast. Okay, you can have the perfect website, all right, but if you don't have power going to that website to rank it, you might as well not have a website, right? So when it comes to backlinks, quality over quantity, okay, what that means is you want to go get a website that has a lot of power, right? People that people know, okay? So it would be like a home remodeling company, a national home remodeling company that people know. Put your backlink on them, all right? And that'll push power to your website. Okay, you don't want to go get like a Pizza Hut website, okay? Because that's not going to push a lot of power. It's not related to your services, and Google's going to know, okay? So go get quality backlinks and boost your website up to the top. All right, so as you can see, this guy, your competitor, has 92 websites pushing 336 backlinks to him, all right? Which is really good. It's a good start for him for sure. It's a lot of power coming to his website. So that's why he's ranking. Okay. You can come in here, click this, and see all 92 websites that he has. Go behind him and start throwing them in there. All right, start throwing links for those websites to your websites. All right. But once again, we don't want to be even, right? We want to blow this guy out of the water. So you're going to want more than 92. All right. And over here, you can see 161 organic keywords he's ranking for, right? Remember, we're talking about organic keywords in the beginning. He's ranking for 161, so that's 425 organic traffic to his website per month, okay? That's without ads. That's without Facebook ads, Google ads, anything like that, all right? That's because his website's ranking at the top for these keywords, so he's bringing in that much traffic, all right? What would 425 organic leads to your website per month do for you? What would that do for your business? And what would that do for your personal life? All right, something to think about, and I'm going to leave you with that. All right, I hope you liked the video. Hope you found it informative. Go ahead and reach back out to us. Call or text 515-468-3039 if you have any questions. We would love some feedback as well. So thanks.